This is a Singer Model 513 from the 1970s, 1980s. I've just recently replaced all the plastic gears underneath and I'm listing it for sale. I'll just do a quick demonstration of a straight stitch and zigzag, but it's also capable of a blanket stitch, and for working with a modern stretch material it has a flex stitch capability. So first, a straight stitch. And now I'll do a zigzag. So that's the top stitch, and the bobbin stitch underneath. Hopefully you can see that with the light material.